Need some of that guitar? Drums, you want some of that? So the way I like to do it, just if you want some, just put your hand up and put it down when it's getting your wedge. So, play a little guitar for Want some of that? No. Do you want some for yourself? Do you have a wedge above your head there?
Yeah, I want some little bit, yeah.
Okay, tell me when to stop.
I think that's good, yeah.
Good start? Okay. Next, bass, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get bass going. Who would like some bass? All right, I'm going to start with drums. If you don't mind playing a little more for me. Keep playing a little more. Do you want to hear yourself over there on bass?
Yeah.
You say yeah? Okay, just let me know when to stop. Out there? Anyone else want that? Okay, let's get the next guitar, please. I know it's the only two pedals you got. Okay, so just keep playing for me. I'll get you beat up here. No, do you want some for yourself and all up there? Or?
Yeah, a lot more.
Just tell me, just stop playing when it feels good to you.
No, it's good. Thank you.
That's good. Okay, let's get your vocal.
Sure. Yeah. Check. I'm checking the mic. Check. This is the checking song. Yeah. Check.
And is that feeling decent in your wedge at the moment, up front?
Yeah, I could use just a touch more if you don't mind.
Let's make sure of that.
Yeah. That sounds pretty good at the moment.
Okay, and does anyone else want that vocal? All around? Alright, I'll do a rough one, y'all let me know if you need more or less in your wedge, alright? And then let's get that final vocal on the bass there.
Final vocal?
You. Just back up. Yes. Back up singer. Yeah. Bad jokes, terrible jokes.
Tell a joke, Matt. Now's the time, I mean.
So, test.
Reserve that for later.
How's that feeling in your wedge? I just put it up on my
I can hear fine. Yeah.
Okay. Does anyone else want that or no?
Matt, talk one more time for me.
Yeah. Hello. Back up. Yep. Back up.
Just a touch, just like the smallest increment more, and I'm good.
A little bit more.
Just like the smallest increment.
Okay.
It's pretty
Yeah.
close.
Still below yours. So.
Right on. Yeah, we're good.
Okay, let's do, Joe, did you want any kick or snare or anything like that?
Some kick, please.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Good, man. All right, and cool. Let's run through about a minute and a half, minute or so.
Cool.
And then we'll make adjustments if we do.
Cool.
And then we'll double check it real quick. This is it.
So Tony, hands off these.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, I'll do a run through drums. You do okay right there?
Yeah.
Okay, bass, you do okay? Yeah. Are you doing up front?
Just a tiny touch of my guitar and a little bit more of that, and I'll be good.
Okay.
Thank you.
And stage right. What do you do?
Yeah, I can't hear my guitar well.
Okay. Here, keep playing for me. Is that a good? Oh, sorry, I stopped. So is that enough for you? Okay, let's run through another like minute or so. See how that feels.
All right, Tony.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How does that all feel? Did anyone need anything?
I'm-
Are you good on guitar now, Nick?
Good.
Are you good on guitar? In the
Just a
middle?
little bit tiny more. Yeah.
Sure, sure.
Do you mind checking your so
I just turned.
Yeah, it's gonna be louder than that. Okay, for sure. Yeah.
Josh, you doing okay still there?
Always.
Make it a little bit more vocal.
Just a little more, okay,
Yes,
sure.
sir. Thank you.
And, did anyone else need more vocal, or was the vocal okay for everybody else?
Yeah. Good.
Okay, yeah, I kind of just did that. Just talk to me during your set. Or do y'all want to just try like another 30 seconds real quick? Or?
Let's do to get by, gentlemen.
It's up to you all.
Yeah.
Oh no, we definitely will take the time.
This will
Thank
be the
you.
last one, and then I'll have you all check in with the door after this.
Yeah, for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've been having hard times. I've been not that much, but I play from my heart. Now so far. You don't know what I've been Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah. So just check in with the board, your bracelet and all that jazz.
Cool.
I'll check in with you. I'll give you all a 5-minute reminder before you go on.
Sounds good. Thank you, dude.
Thank you.